Good evening, traders. Welcome to emisttrade.com recap report. It is Thursday, January 20th, 2011. Let's get over to the recap. We hope everybody had a great day in the markets. We had some more good movement in the markets, good range, finally starting to see that range come in, which is good. Unfortunately, we weren't taking advantage of it today. We got whipsawed a bit. We tried to get long in around 1272. And we ended up taking a loss at 1268 3/4 on that. Full ride of 3 cars in there. Once we saw that the weakness was in the market, we did try to get short in there at 1274.50, and that's when the market decided it wanted to turn the other direction and head higher from there. Anyway, we took a stop at 1278 on that. A loss for the day, but we'll be back tomorrow to trade them up. It's tomorrow's, guys, you want to remind yourself it is options expiration day, so expect some whippiness in the market tomorrow. There'll be a lot of jockeying around. So just keep that in mind. Let's get over to the chart and take a look at some levels here. As I said, we had some weakness in the market. It was what we would call a trend after, or excuse me, a morning after trend day. It's commonly called. I've heard some professionals call it that. And it's a really good thing to remember. Once you have a decent trend down, look for some rotation the next day, especially off the opening move, which we are expecting, and this thing sold off bigger than what we thought. Now, once the market did get weak, we decided to get short in there. It came down and bounced off of that 67 area. It did hit the 69 that we talked about the other day. And then, of course, went in and had a great pattern up and broke these highs, only to finish down where it opened up in the morning time. So now we are sort of in the chop zone again right now, in between this 73, I would say 73 up to 79. My expectations for tomorrow to see a break of one of those areas, and you either test down at the 67 or test back up here at the 80 level, and well, we'll see if we can go further from there. So for levels tomorrow, guys, 83 up to 85 we'll be looking at as a target, and probably an extension unless we do that overnight. And of course, I point this out, the 63 to 65 level. If we are really weak, then we will definitely go down and test the 57 level. So it's been an interesting week, good, bad, no ugly so far, and we look to finish on a good note tomorrow. Guys, if you haven't been over to eMistTrade, we post our videos every day. Take a look, take a visit, head on over to eMistTrade, and let's get back over there real quick. And you can check our videos out, and also take a 5-day trial for $10. Come take a visit, look at how we make our calls, look at our live Twitter feed, and ask Matt any questions you have. Otherwise, I hope everybody has a great trading day on Friday. Good luck, and we'll talk to you then. Take care.